There was green on the screen on the Tuesday session, and in fact, you phrase it this way. You say the Dow snapped a 5-day losing streak on Tuesday. And the reason, of course, is CPI and because of better news from the banks. Now, CPI came in early in the morning on Tuesday. It was ahead by 0.4% in February, and it was down a little bit compared to January. Year on year, in January it was 6.4%. In February, it was just 6%. So Wall Street calls that in line. Now, there was concern about that drone crash involving a Russian aircraft and a US drone over the Black Sea. That rattled the markets at around about lunchtime on Tuesday, local time. And of course, the bank issue, which I won't go into detail here, it's been overhanging everybody for the last 5 or 6 days, appeared to improve on Tuesday. It was a little bit rosier, although we're not out of the woods yet. I think it's important to remember that. And the markets rallied because of the bank situation as well. So here we go. Dow up 1% on Tuesday, 32,100. 336 points to the good. Nasdaq up 2.1%, S&P 500 up 1.6%, all 11 sectors in the green. And again, Bitcoin really benefiting because basically people don't quite trust the banks anymore. So Bitcoin, which was below 20,000 on Friday, is now above 25,000. Later on Wednesday, we get PPI, that's wholesale inflation rather than CPI that we had on Tuesday, which is consumer inflation. We also get retail sales. That's a very important part of the jigsaw puzzle when it comes to the Federal Reserve deciding what it'll do about interest rates in just about a week's time. The smart money here now says it'll be a 25 basis point hike. We'll see. There's even talk about there being a pause. Again, we'll see. The pause because of the banking crisis, you understand. And also on Wednesday, we get earnings from the software company Adobe. John Terrett, CGTN, trading floor, New York Stock Exchange.